Welcome to the Patient Better Academy. We are an educational program dedicated to teaching people the healthcare governance skills needed to thrive in today's medical landscape. Our training consists of 6 courses and 23 micro-lessons that are proven to give you the knowledge to properly govern your medical record, boost your system navigation know-how, improve your financial management competency, refine your communication techniques, enhance your relationships with healthcare professionals, as well as advance your organization capabilities. After completing the Patient Better program, you will reap the benefits of knowing how to cut down on unnecessary phone calls and office visits, curtail unexpected medical costs, reduce emergency room visits and hospital stays, as well as safeguard against oversights, errors, or information omission. After completing our program, you will be able to focus on more important things, like getting back to health. Patient Better is a program that is designed to help you go through your diagnosis more easily. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time.